Hey guys, and today this is Classes with Brendan. And today we're on Battle Cats. I know I've never made a Battle Cats video ever, but I've been playing this game a lot, and I just ranked up after I fought the Moon Battle. And I bought the Platinum ticket here. As you can see, I have 2 million XP from the Platinum ticket. It was like $8. So yeah, I'm gonna go open it. I don't know how to open this right now, but we'll go into rare cat capsules. I'm guessing that's what it is. Uber rares only. Okay. I have 1 platinum ticket, and I'm gonna open this one. I have no idea what I'm gonna get, but I know it's gonna be an Uber rare. This is very stressful. 3, 2, 1, open. Oh, I'm not gonna look. Let's see what it is. Uber super rare. Sakura Sonic. Nice. Wait. Wait, how mad would you be if I just hit that button right there? Use. Yes. Alright, so I'm gonna be upgrading this person all the way because I also got 2 million XP. I need to not go in Korea. Upgrade. Oh yeah, it's in. Oh yeah, I forgot. I only had rare cats and special cats. Alright, now that we have her upgraded all the way, after school Sakura, we're gonna go and defeat a few levels, because these ones are gonna be easy. If you can hear stepping in the background, that's my dog. We're just gonna blow through these levels. Oh, I forgot to equip her, but it's fine. Yeah, we're just gonna blow through these levels. I'm just gonna put out a giraffe and easy. Yeah, so I'll actually do some good gameplay probably tomorrow of it. But for now, we're just gonna be clearing a few stages. Just imagine it actually sucked. Like, is a super bad Uber rare. That would be so bad. Because you're not even allowed to buy another ticket. Yeah, actually, I'm going to go into here. Cat guide. Special. Rare. Super rare. Uber super rare. Should be in here somewhere. Yep, right here. Oh wow, I spent 1 million XP on that. I think, is that 1 million? Yeah, I spent 1,100,000 XP on that. I wouldn't be able to make that in a long time. Like, that would probably take me almost a month to get that much XP. And I just spent it all in one sitting. So yeah, let's equip her real quick. Who should we get rid of? Probably this guy over. Probably Axe Cat. I forgot what his new name is, but that's Axe Cat's normal. And now I'm pretty sure we have all upgraded. Everything is level 10. Cat combo list. Ooh, that's a new thing. Oh, I think this is where we can upgrade them to level 20. I'm gonna go up in my room because my mom's here. Yeah, now I'm up in my room. It's good. Normal macho cat. So what is this? I don't get it. Alright, we're not gonna look at that for today. But we're gonna go and play some more levels. She's 4,200? Dang, I know that Uber rates were expensive, but not bad. I'll just get up to that much, and then, yeah. Send out those two for now. Yeah, we'll definitely have enough to get up to the Uber Rare. Probably with this rest of the XP, probably gonna upgrade my base and my money, stuff like that. Now we have enough coins to get up to Uber Rare. I just want to see this Uber Rare come out. I've never had one before. Never even had a rare special rare cat, or whatever it is. Alright, so I'm gonna go AFK real quick, because I gotta do something downstairs. But we'll just let this money go up. Alright, I'm back, and we almost have enough money. Let's get it. Alright, Uber Rare is coming out. That is gigantic. Like all the Uber Rare is. Like all of the Uber Rares are. Holy crap. That'd be really good against like gorillas and stuff. I know she looks really bad right now, but it's because you need like multiple and a whole bunch of meat shields and stuff for this. So here, let's actually try to win now. Throwing Titan Cat and stuff like that. Yeah. She's not good in these levels because you need a lot of stuff to complete these ones. But yeah, I think we'll do 1 or 2 more levels. Actually, before we do that, let's upgrade some stuff. I'm not trying to spend all of this, but I'm trying to spend a lot of it. And then cat charge. A lot of time I need cat charge, but it's not ready. Range, need range. And then power. Alright, so all of these ones are maxed out. Now you have 690,000 left. We'll use some to upgrade to catfish. I just said catfish, fish cat, and now it's a whale cat. And now all these normal cats I have upgraded fully. This 570k will go to other cats that are really good. Like, ooh, we might unlock Sumo Cat. I heard that he was really good. So, yeah. A lot of times I look at videos of what the cat does and if they're good or not before I actually get them. Because I want to spend my cat food correctly, obviously. Yeah, these things cost more now for some reason. It's probably because we're on a new one and they want it to be harder. So you actually have to get more stuff in the game. Yeah, so we're just going to be throwing out some giraffes. Some more meat shields. Usually giraffe isn't supposed to be a main attacker. He's supposed to be one of my fast meat shields. Right now, he's just the fastest person to get these done with. We also have this guy, Cat Gang, which is another fast meat shield of mine. He costs more. Yeah, we're gonna do one more. Thailand? Okay. But I'm gonna have to find out more about this. Because I saw Matt Shea's video and he had like level 20 cats. And right now the max for me is level 10. So I think you have to unlock some stuff for that. I'll look it up later. Probably get better at battle cats in general. Yeah. Now let's check how long we've been recording. I really don't know. Who cares? It doesn't really matter. Aw, dang it. I think everything is double. So if I went to the normal world, that uber rare would only be 2,100. That's what I'm thinking. No, it's not double, I guess. Yeah. I'm just gonna be grinding these out day and night. Yeah. I was gonna buy something like this, but I didn't know that the platinum ticket came back. Now I was gonna buy a platinum ticket, but I didn't get any of my birthday money. See, I spent like $8 on my birthday money on this. I didn't only do this for you guys because obviously I actually like the game and play it a lot. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Every day is a good day with Costa Ben, and I'll see you next time. Wait 1 second. Bye.